Barclays Center.
Transfer is available Long Island Railroad.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front and center of the platform.
Transfer is available to B, D, N, Q, R trains. Connection is available to the Long
This
Island
is a Manhattan bound trip.
QR trains. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front and center of the platform.
This is a New Lots Avenue bound 2 train. The next stop is...
This is a Crown Heights bound 5 express train.
The next stop is...
Franklin Avenue, Medgar Evers College.